Every shop has leather bags, leather wallets, fake sunglasses.
Do you not like them?
Hey, they do have a Derby one. When they said that this is the best ice cream parlour on the island, they ain't joking. It's a tired start on day 4. Is it day 4? If we class Thursday as day 1?
Yeah.
It's a tired start on day 4. Morning everyone, and welcome back to Costa Teguise. He's tired, I'm tired, she's tired, and she's tired. I don't know where Malcolm went, he's disappeared off the balcony, so I'm going to have to find him in a bit. He's disappeared. I think he got a bit cold out there in the night. And our noisy fucking neighbours at 4 AM this morning, if it was up there or that way, the right mind's a ring reception.
You could have hit her in the eye.
You did hit her on the head the second time. Only because you slapped me. Lightly, I touched you like that. It's just like sucked to one ear and then the cushion. It's the only logical reason. You just swear at the camera. No.
He's out, rock on, Tom.
This is real life, guys. This is what really happens off camera. Arguing against arguing, against arguing, against arguing, and then she gets in, and then oh, hell breaks loose.
In all fairness, yes, I beat them.
Cut. Every shop has leather bags, leather wallets, fake sunglasses, hats. Every single shop. Just some sunglasses, Lace. What you could do with some.
Right, okay. What do you think? Not like them.
Hey Derby, they've even got Swansea. Hey, they do have a Derby one. See, we are well known in other parts of the world. There we go. There's his name on it. Derby. There you go, mate. Let's start drinking lager now.
We need new glasses.
Yeah, true. I'll have to share it with you. Right, let's go and find your mum. Oh my gosh, she's probably down here somewhere. Look at all that. Yeah, I've got Lacey one as well. Which one's this? Hegwig?
Hedwig.
Hedwig.
Harry Potter.
Oh, scary.
They're good, they
Get a
are.
forest glass, I was going to break it.
Like it, Kian.
Right, we found the ice cream parlour on the island. Apparently this is the one. This is the one. What are you having?
What?
What are you having? He's probably having pancake. This is the one. Guys,
I'm gonna have to wash my hands somewhere in a minute.
when they said that this is the best ice cream parlour on the island, they ain't joking. I've had Chips Ahoy, an Oreo, same as the boy.
Hey Daisy, you're managing now.
Look at these pair, they're getting in a right mess. I think they're forgetting like we're in 30 degrees weather. I couldn't vlog much of that ice cream, was all getting in a right mess because as soon as we came out it was just sort of melting. Poor Lacey were getting dripped on with ice cream, and then her mum got in on and walked off. So we had to help her out. Just been to wash her hands. But look at this for you guys. There's that hotel from the other night. Yeah, the Melios, that's the 5-star.
He was like all the
Zoom
way
in.
down there.
Probably can't even hear me on this vlog, but look at this, for coastline. Apparently Costa Teguise coastline lasts for 8 miles. So we're just going to have a walk up there. Apparently there's some fish to feed one morning. Imagine them cars on there, if a big wave comes they're all going to get like swept away. Right, so if you come into Costa Teguise, this is the ice cream parlour.
It's right next to Crazy Loop.
It's right next to Crazy Loops. We can't say that name, but it's called that. This is where to get your ice cream from. Beautiful. Just get a load of napkins when you grab them, because otherwise you're going to get covered in ice cream. Here she comes. Here comes the ice cream lady. How was it?
It's good.
You're clean now.
What happened to me? Got it all over a fork.
Oh, bless you. You're getting covered, weren't you, darling?
I've got it all over my...
There's one hotel there. Look at that. A quick walk down there. I think this is all volcanic rock lace.
Maybe.
Ooh. Why does my hand look red? It's off that light. Let's do some skimming. I reckon loads of fish and stuff coming here. How clear it is. The tide goes out a bit, maybe we'll have to paddle in there. We're just waiting for Loopy. Can you see her, look? She's this little dot here. Just be careful, Ace, it's a bit rocky. Just come and help you. Here she comes out the darkness. Hola!
Sorry!
Look at this, Lace. This little rock pool. Think fish get in there? What is it? Looks like a cookie. Can you eat it?
No.
What was it?
Chips ahoy!
Chips ahoy! What these steps here, Lace? Steps. Got some random things here in Lanzarote. What the hell's this bloody monstrosity? Oh, you can go up it. Ooh. Ooh. windy up here. Makes me scared. I'm coming back down. Wind might blow me off.
Got used to it now. I've had to put the cardi on.
We're going against the wind, guys.
Watch coming, nice.
Blow my cheeks apart.
I
I just look stupid, don't I?
We don't like people.
We found Cat Island, guys.
Hey, yeah, that's fine.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there was another one on there, that was 8. They're well fed. Oh, look at the ginger one. He's like a lion. Hey, puss puss. And they have the funny eyes.
They're not gonna.
Right guys, end of another day. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time for another Lanzarote vlog. Take care, bye. Cheers and ducks.